Hello students, welcome to the MongoDB lab videos. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use concatenate operator in aggregate pipeline. So we consider a MongoDB query here. db.employee details is a collection name for dot aggregate. So matching gender is equal to female. Those employees whose gender is female only will be fetched. So project is used to display the certain fields. So underscore ID is 0. It means this field should not be displayed. Name colon 1, gender colon 1, city colon 1, department colon 1 and salary colon 1. These fields will be displayed. So next we are using department and colon curly braces concatenate. So within square bracket I'm using my name is think dollar name as a variable. It will be replaced by actual name. It's a placeholder for name. So here I am working in dollar department. So department dollar variable will be replaced by actual department. So execute this query. Click on yes. So clearly you can see the name is Kavana. Fields you can see which are the fields displayed. City, gender, salary is displayed. So in department you can see my name is Kavana as it has been replaced actual name. So I'm working in finance department. Scrolling down you can see the results, other results. So you can see my name is Lakshmi. I'm working in HR department. Varsha's result you can see. Nikita Ritvi. My name is Ritvi. I'm working in finance department. Scrolling down below you can see the various results. Shifa finally. My name is Shifa Banu. I am working in finance department. So here is the basic explanation what it does. The query what it does. Filters only female patients and it does returns name, gender, city, department, and salary. So for example, consider a document. If a document looks like this: name, Naveen, gender, male, working in HR department. So result will be coming to here department. Result will be my name is Naveen. I am working in HR department. I'll take another example here. I'll drop the collection. Click on yes. So I'm going to insert freshly two records here in new collection employee underscore details. I'm going to insert two records here. Click on play button. So you can see two records has been inserted successfully. So clearly you can see name is I have set it to null in first record. In second example it consists of Muhammad Umar. Its department is set it to null. So query I executed previously is not designed to handle null values. There is slight improvement here. If you want cleaner formatting, avoid null issues. You can make use of function or operator if null. You can make use of this operator if dollar if null. So same query I'll be using little modification. db dot employee details to dot aggregate followed by project. So which fields we are going to display? ID will not be displayed since we are giving 0. Name, city, gender and department will be displayed. So department here I am concatenating. So within square bracket my name is I am checking here for the null value. If any null value is present in name, dollar name, it will print not available. This condition, if null is true, then it will print not available if the name is not available. Similarly, I am working in this one dollar if null. If department contains null value, it will print this message, custom message, department not available. Otherwise, if the department value is available, it will print the department. So in the same case, if the name is available, it will print the name. Otherwise, it will print not available. So if null checks for the presence of value of null. So I'm going to execute. So clearly you can see I've inserted null value in this here. Name, null value. So department also I have inserted null value. So this is an example how to handle basically a null value if it's present in a collection. So clearly you can execute. So null value you can see here present here. So city Michigan female. So it is print my name since name is null. Since name is null, it will print my name is not available. So I am working in finance department. Here in second record, name is Muhammad Umar, Michigan, male. So in this case, name is available. It will print the name as it is. My name is Muhammad Umar and its department is not available. So I am working in department. So it will print department not available. I hope you have understood what is the use of if null. So coming on, we'll move to next query. So next query, it going to fetch the details. Was working in finance department. It will fetch the details of employee details who are working in finance department. And we are going using project. We are going to display certain fields. ID should not be displayed. Should make it 0. ID underscore ID is 0. Name colon 1, age colon 1, department colon 1, gender colon 1, salary colon 1. 1 means the fields has to be displayed. If you make it 0, ID colon 0, it will not be displayed. Finally, we have to sort the salary in descending order. So I'll comment it first this part and see. So it's going to fetch the employee details whose department is finance. And plus using project certain fields will be displayed. Click on yes. So clearly see, those who are working in finance department only, those records will be displayed. Kavana is working in finance department, clearly you can see. So Rajesh, Akash, and Ritvik, and Shifaban, and Mohammad Umar. These people are working in finance department. I'll close this. So you can insert additional this one sort function, sort operator. If you want to sort based on descending order. So for that, dollar sort salary minus one. It will sort the salary in descending order. Click on this plus button. So clearly you can see Shifa Banu his salary is 99,000, Prithvi 95,000. Next comes Pavana whose salary is 90,000. Clearly you can see, and Rajesh whose salary is 40,000. So least lowest salary Muhammad Umar's salary is 35,000. So lowest salary is Akash. Akash has lowest salary that is 30,000. So clearly you can see salary is sorted in descending order. To in order to make salary to sort in ascending order, you should make one. So lowest salary appears at the topmost. That is Akash salary appears at the topmost. So click here. Yes, clearly you can see Akash has the lowest salary. Next is 35,000. Next is 40, 90, 95, and finally 95. Then salary is sorted in ascending order. So you can sort any field. For example, you can sort name also. You should sort the name in ascending order. Sort dollar sort name colon one. This will sort name in ascending order. So clearly you can see 8. Akash has appeared first, next Kavana, next Muhammad Umar, Rajesh, finally Prithvi and Shiva Banu at the last. If you want to sort the name in descending order, you have to give just minus 1. I'll expand this, click on aggregate. See Clearly you can see Shifa Banu appears at the top. Its name is sorted in descending order. Prithvi, Rajesh, Uma Kumar and Kavana. Lastly, Akash. You can choose even department also. So this is the basic explanation what it does. Match filters a document where the department is equal to finance. So project, what is the use of project? It includes only name, age, gender, city, and salary to be displayed. It removes the ID. So sort order results salary sort the salary based. If we give one, it will be sorted in ascending order. If we give minus one, it will be sorted in descending order. Coming to next query. Next query is very simple. You have to use project only to display name, age, city, and salary. So you'll be using the syntax db dot employee underscore details dot aggregate. You will be using project dollar project. So underscore id it will be visible. ID will not be visible. It will be hidden. In other words, name hyphen one means it will be visible. Name, age, city, salary will be visible. This will be displayed. I'll execute the query and show you the output. Click on plus. So clearly you can see project. It has displayed name, age, city, and salary for every record. You can see here. I'll close this here. So basically, these are the definitions, explanations. You can go through it. So next query is you have to sort the salary in descending order. For that, in DB dot employee details dot aggregate. In that body, you have to provide dollar sort followed by salary. Whether salary should be sorted in ascending order or descending order. Minus one means it be sorted in descending order. So clearly you can see salary is sorted in descending order 99,000. Here you can see 95,000, 90,000, and 85,000, 80,000, and 75,000. Next is 70, 80. You can see this query will change to display salary in descending order. Descending order. So next will come. So next is we have to you have to get top to highest paid employees. So query is you have to get top two employees who are highest paid. So well, I'll comment it. So here the query is simple. You can understand it. Very simple. So it will sort the salary in descending order. Employee details. It will sort the salary in descending order. So Shifa Banu, she has the highest salary. Salary is 99,000. So next highest, second highest salary is Ruthvi. Her salary is 95,000. Next salary, Kavana salary is 97 and so on. So here in order to fetch only top to highest paid employees, you have to make use of simply limit of 2. All the details fetched, it will limit number of record to be displayed to be 2. It will display only last two highest, in other words, it will display top two highest paid employees using limit. Clearly, I will execute it. Click on play button. So, as I said earlier, Shifa Bano is getting the highest salary. She is getting 90,000. Next is She is getting the second highest salary in the employees collection, employee details collection. So all the salary is 95,000. So using limit, you can get the top two highest paid employees. If you want to get bottom, that is two top bottom two least paid employees, then you should make use of 1 year. That's all. So fetch the bottom last two paid employees. Click here, click on S. So Akash is getting the salary 30,000. This is the least salary. Second least salary is Mohammad Umar. He is getting this Mohammad Umar. I'll highlight it. He is getting the salary 35,000. So this is the bottom placed salaries. Bottom two placed salaries. So coming to next query. Next query is simple. You have to calculate average age in a document, whole document. For that, I've already discussed how to use group dollar group operator in aggregate pipeline. So DB employee details aggregate group underscore ID null. This course is not needed. So in order to calculate average age, you have to provide here dollar average followed by the field name here. So this is the custom message here. It will calculate the average age for the whole document. Click on S here. So this is the average age 28 point. This one 28. This is the average age for the whole document. So we can also find average age for the gender. So now basically you're grouping the gender. So gender consists of male and female. So it will be split into female and male. It will calculate the average age for male gender and also it will calculate average age for female male gender and female gender. So click on this, get the result. So for male, average age is 31.167. So for female, average age is 26.25. So similarly, you can calculate average age for the department wise. I will copy paste below. Here I will replace it by department. So here department is of three is grouped into three. One is HR, finance, and development. It will calculate average age for respective departments. So click on S. Clearly you can see average age for development department is 30.4. Finance department is average age is 27. HR department average age is 27. So even you can get the maximum salary. For example, replace here with max here and salary here. Salary here, type it maximum. And then replace it age with salary here. So what does this query does? So this query groups basically into male and gender and it finds out maximum salary for the female gender and maximum who is getting the highest salary among the male gender. Click on this play button. Click on yes. So for female gender maximum salary, female gender employee is drawing the maximum salary of 99,000. For male gender person is drawing maximum salary of 70,000. So if you want to get minimum salary, you can make use of min function here. So you'll replace maximum with the min. Min. So execute it. You'll get the lowest salary for both the genders, male and female. So you can see here for female gender, lowest salary drawn is 46,000. For male gender, sorry, male gender, minimum salary drawn is 30,000. So you can make use of one more option here. Match dollar, match, match. You can give, I have to give here colon. So gender you can provide here, gender colon equal to male. So what did happens? It goes here, curly braces and provide here comma. So it will match the filter based on gender male. Give it as a null since I don't want to compare. Here I am getting the minimum salary for the male gender. You're getting the among the male employees who is drawing the least salary. So male gender minimum salary is 30,000. So if you want to find out for female genders who is drawing the this one least salary, you can replace it with female here. Click on yes. So clearly I can see for female gender lowest salary drawn is 46,000. So we'll come to next query. So group by ID. So it will split into group into departments, various departments, which are HR, finance, and development. We'll calculate average age for respective departments. Click on execute button here. So here you can see for development age, average age is 30. For finance department, average age is 27. For HR department, average age is 27. So if you want, you can replace with here. You can make use of female. So it will get the so here matching criteria is gender is equal to female. It will fetch the details whose gender is female. So click on play button here. Click on yes. So consider only female genders here. So female genders for HR department. Those employees female genders who are working in HR department, the average age is 27. So female employees belonging to finance department, their average age is 25. So female employees who are working in development department, their average is 27. Similarly, we can make use of other aggregate function, max. You can find out maximum age or salary. You can find out salary. Here replace with salary field, and here replace with maximum. Maximum can replace with salary. So what does this query? This filters based on gender, female, and it will return the highest salary, who is drawing the highest salary in the respective department, provided that these employees should belong to female gender. I'll execute it. Click on yes. So here, so female employees who working in development department is drawing maximum salary. Maximum salary is 50,000. So female employees working in finance department, maximum salary drawn is 99,000. So for those female employees working under HR department has maximum salary of 85,000. I'll do one changes here, slide changes here. I'll replace with male. So what it does is it filters data based on gender male. So it calculates the maximum salary. So click on yes. So male employees. So male employees are working in only two departments. That is finance and development. They are not working in HR department. So male employees though working in finance department, maximum salary drawn in 40,000. So male employees who working in development department, maximum salary drawn is 70,000. So we'll come to next query. Next query is that for gender female, you have to calculate average age of female. This query is quite simple. I think I already discussed this. Match, it will filter gender is equal to female. It will calculate average age of female gender. So execute it. Click on yes button. So clearly see average age of female gender is 26.25. So these are basic explanations of the query. Match filters only documents where gender is female. Group, it groups the all matched documents into single group. So here average age calculates average age of age field. Come to here, the next requirement is you have to calculate average age for the male gender using aggregate and average function. So syntax is quite simple. db underscore employee details aggregate followed on match. Gender is equal to male. So average age of male. So in order to calculate average age of age, you should call dollar average avj followed by the field name, that is age. So I'll click it on play button. Click yes. So average age of male is 31.167. So basic explanation is here. So we'll come to next query. So you have to find out maximum age of person who is working in each department. So you have to find out maximum age of person in each department. So departments are HR, finance, and development. So execute this query. Click on play button here. Click on yes here. So we can see here three departments are there: HR, finance, and development. So group means it will group into three departments, that is HR, finance, and development. So maximum it will calculate the maximum age. It will return the maximum age in each department. Maximum age in HR department is 33. Maximum age in finance department is 36. Maximum age in development department is 38. So the next query will come to the query is same, only I have replaced by main function here. So in other words, you have to calculate the minimum age for each department. So you have to calculate minimum age for employee persons who are working in each department. So we execute this query. So calculate it. Click on yes. So there are three types of department. HR department. So for HR department, minimum age is 23. For finance department, minimum age is 22. For development department, minimum age is 26. So here, so I want to calculate queries. I want to calculate maximum age based on gender. For what is the maximum age for the female gender? What is the maximum age for the male gender? So for that, I'll make use of group ID. So I'm grouping into two types, that is male and female. So it will calculate maximum age for respective gender. For that, I'll use $max followed by the field. So clearly see, gender has been grouped into male and female. So in case of male, maximum age is 33. So in case of male employees, maximum age is 38. So next we'll find out the same query I have repeated. Only thing is difference is I have replaced max here with min. So min I have applied to the field $age. That is I have applied to the age field. Click on yes. So you can clearly see for the male employees, minimum age is 25. So for female genders, for female employees, minimum age is 22. So next query, we are going to calculate average age for respective gender, that is male and female. What is the average age for the male genders? What is the average age for the female genders? So execute this button, click on this button, click on yes. So here you can see male for male genders for employees working as male, average age is 31.167. For female gender, average age is 26.25. So we'll come to the 25th this one query. We have to find out minimum age of person working in each department whose gender is male. So one criteria is there. You have to make use of match. You have to find out the gender. You have to it will filter the based on gender. Gender should be equal to male. So for male gender, it will group. We are making as a group here. That is, you are splitting into three types. That is three departments: HR, finance, and development. For each respective developments, we are calculating minimum age here. Let's see the output here. So we can see here for those employees who working as male employees, consider it as this result applies to only male employees. For those male employees who working in finance department, minimum age is 25. For those male employees who working in development department, minimum age is 29. If you want, we can find out the maximum age also. Just you have to replace with max function. So here you replace with max. So execute this button, execute this result here, click on yes here. So you can see here clearly for male employees who are working in finance department, maximum age is 36. For those male employees who are working in development department, maximum age is 38. Similarly, you can replace male with a female here. You get the output. Click on play button here. Yes. For female employees who are working in development department, maximum age is 28. So for female employees who are working in finance department, maximum age is 30. So next, female employees who are working in HR department, maximum age is 33. If you want minimum, you can just replace with min. Max will be replaced by min. Suppose you want to apply, you want to get the minimum salary, you can replace it with your salary. Is it minimum salary? So I'll give this custom message within the course. Here I'll replace with female. So here it filters based on gender match. Gender should be equal to male. So I'll execute this query. So this department is splits into HR, development, and finance. I'll execute this query. Click on this play button here. So those female employees, this applies only to female employees. Female employees working in development department. So their minimum salary is 46,000. So female employees working in finance department gets the minimum salary of 90,000. So female employees working in HR department gets the minimum salary of 75,000. So if you want to get max, you can apply a max function. So you can replace with max. Click on yes button. So you can see clearly see. So female employees working HR department, its maximum salary is 85,000. So female employees working in finance department, maximum salary is 99,000. So female employees working in development department, maximum salary is 50,000. So you want to apply to the specific another gender male is should replace female with male here. So, replace it with male. So match filter will filter the criteria based on gender male. Click on play button here. Yes. So for clearly see this applies to only male gender. Male gender working in finance department gets maximum salary of 40,000. So male employees working in development department gets the maximum salary of 70,000. So if you want minimum salary, just replace here with max instead of max should be replaced with male. So I hope you understood the this one queries. So let's stop it here. So guys, thank you for listening. I'll see you in next week.